Alright, welcome back guys. In this video I'll be showing you another new thing here, but here I have some new things here. I have printf. There was a man named Nasir. He was 35 years old. He has 65.73. He was 65. He is 65.73 in size. He really like his name, Nasir. So what we are going to do here is just very simple. Like all the numbers we are having here and the name we are having here, I want us to declare it as a, we should bring out the data types here and we should evaluate something from here. So now I'll be showing you how to do that. First of all, we will come to this place. Before I start, if you check all these text that I write printf, you'll be like wondering, like, if I run it, you see how it's going to run for me. You see everything is joined together. There was a man called Nasir. He was 35 years old. I don't want my text to be like that. So there's how we break the line in C language, and this is how we break lines to create a new line in C language. It's just easy by doing like this, then N. Then come down here too. I will put the same thing. I'll do like this, / and N. I'll come down to the down again and do / N. I'll come down to the last place too and do / and N. This I'll say. If I run it again now, you are going to see that there was a man. It's okay like this. This is how I want everything to run for me. So sorry about this emoji. Sorry, please. My data is on my office. Sorry. Let me continue now. So now what I'm just trying to explain is that to show you that like his name here, that is Nasir. I want us to create a data type for the name, that is character, so that if whenever he's entering his name, instead of writing the name here as Nasir, we'll be using maybe our %s, since it's in string. A combination of character is string. Sorry, I was supposed to tell you, if you have a combination of 2 or more characters, it's strings. So I will come here by saying like char. If you remember, I tell you what char is for. That we used to use char for our characters, that is A to Z. I can now say you should char my, maybe you should char my name, E. Then I will now put this straight bracket there, because what I'm putting there is a string. I'll put this straight bracket there. If I put it there, then come outside and declare what I want it to do, and say it should be equals to, I'll put the double quote there, then I'll write Nasir, that is his name. After I put his name, then what else again do we have here? We can even still come down again and put int. In his age, you have 35. I can just say int, maybe I will say my age, my age should be equals to 35. Then I can equally come down again and say double or float. I'll say double double size double size should be equals to my 65.73. as simple as that. But don't forget to always terminate it here. That is by putting semicolon. Come here to and terminate it, and come this top 2 and terminate it. After doing that, then I will now come back to my text where I write all what I need there. Simple and very easy. I will just come here and put, I've already explained how to use integer. I say it's %d, float, and double is %f. So in using character is %c, while string is %s. So here we'll be using %s, since what we are having here is combination of characters. We'll be using %s to run it. Then we'll now come outside here and put comma. Then what do we declare it to be? We declare it to be name. Then I will now write name there, NAME. As I write it here, I'm not going to change the cases because I write it as capital letter N, then I put AME. That's how I'm going to write it. I'm done with the first line. Then come to the second line again. The same thing to it. I show you how to use integer. I say my integer is %d, so I'll be using %d for my integer now. Then I will now still come outside here and say what? My %d is what, comma. I will now say my age. My age. Then still come down here. Then I will now I omit something. This is where I'm supposed to put the %d. I'll put my %d here. Then my age. Then I will now come down here, still the same thing. Since it's double I'm using here, I will now come here and put %f to run my double out. Then come outside here and put comma. Then what did I declare it as size. Then I will now still come out again, the last place that he really like his name Nasser. I will now come here and still do the same thing as I do in the first one by putting my %s, then come outside, then put comma, then I will now put name. So if I run this now, it's still going to give me exactly what we are having that time, but you can see at having this is a bit more. It will boost again your knowledge again. So let me run this and let's see either it's going to run or not. Wow, you see we can still have it. But if you notice in a place here, his size is 65.7300. we are having a lot of 0, but in a case that I don't want to have a lot of 0, I'll just come to this %f. Then I will now put 0.2. Since the number I'm having here is 2 decimal places, if I run it, it will be running exact our number. You see it's running exact our number. If I put 0.3, you'll be saying that it will be adding a 0 to our number. If I put 0.4 up to like that, but for this case I'll be using 0.2 there since it's 2 decimal places I'm having. So I will just run it now. And with this I think we'll stop here today for today night, and inshallah we'll continue from where we stop tomorrow. Good night.